Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur District, Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I am going to show you difficult to recreate virtual reality modeling language course using the Vivati Studio. I have already created first part of this video. You can refer certain codes which were difficult to recreate using Vivati Studio. This is the second part that I am launching, and I am providing these codes for evaluation purpose, so that you can practice this code, and you, if you want, you can take this as a challenge and you can try to recreate these codes using the Vivati Studio. So let us start. Now, why certain codes are very difficult to recreate using VRML? So there are certain reasons. First reason is that they may not have been produced with Vivati Studio, because we know that a lot of softwares offer option to export 3D models into VRML, like say 3D Max Studio, Maya, Blender, Unity 3D, MATLAB. So if the code is created out of these softwares, then it may not perfectly get fitted into Vivati Studio. So you cannot import it or you cannot recreate it. That is the problem. Codes created by manual coding method like say Notepad or VRML pad. This was an old method which was used at the time of coding in the year 1997. So these codes may have certain fields which may not get perfectly fitted with the Vivati Studio, and that's why such type of codes cannot be recreated. Codes which give error message during importing to Vivati Studio. Once the code gives error message, we cannot see the structure of the code, and if we can't see the structure of the code, it is very difficult to recreate the code, even if we can read the code. Codes which cause Vivati Studio to become non-responsive on importing. Again, the same problem arises. We can't see the structure, we can't see the node graph or node tree, and in the absence of node graph or node tree, we cannot recreate the code. Certain codes are inscripted and therefore they are very difficult to recreate. Codes generated using XSLT processor Saxon 9.10.2 from Saxonica or similar softwares are very difficult to recreate. That is my experience. Codes use codes created using very complex logic and created by eminent authors or programmers, they are very difficult to recreate, because these codes involve very complex logic, and a normal programmer or normal person is not capable of understanding this complex logic, and therefore they are very difficult to recreate. These codes involves very complex prototypes also, that's why they are not that easy to recreate. So VRML codes that are difficult to recreate using Vivati Studios are available to download using the link available in the description, and I will be providing all the codes to you. Let us have a preview of the output generated by these codes. I have captured the preview of all the codes, and let us have a look one by one to all these codes. This is a actually aquarium fish tank, and the fish is freely moving in the fish tank, and it takes a different position in the fish tank, and I have used this particular code in my thesis work. It is very difficult to recreate because it involves a lot of prototype, and the script is very complex. For a normal person it is very difficult to recreate. That is what my guessing Of course, if you can recreate, that is nothing like that. That is very good. But I felt that this is very difficult to recreate the fish aquarium. Let us move to the second code. This is a very simple code actually, but it involves again lot of prototypes, and due to the prototypes, it becomes very difficult to recreate. Of course, uh, color interpolation we have already carried out with the help of Vivity Studio. So by different method we can recreate this code, but the method which was used in creating this code was very difficult to replicate. Then I found that this code is also very difficult to recreate. This is a blender actually, and it involves some motions, but these motions were very difficult to recreate actually, because it involves the chain of motions, and that's why they were very difficult to recreate. Then this bouncer, this was also difficult to recreate using Vivity Studio, and it is because of the script that is involved. Then this bunny, again due to the script, it is difficult to recreate. The script is very complex, it is not so simple. So from programming point of view, it is very difficult to recreate. Of course, it is not impossible to recreate, or what we can do is that we can recreate it in some animation software like say 3D Max Studio, and then we can export it into VRML. Then this manipulator arm of robot, this is a manipulator arm. This was also it was very difficult to recreate. And this particular code, this was also, I found it was very difficult to recreate. This was due to the I think prototype. It is very difficult to recreate. Of course, we can use a different logic, and then recreation will not be that much difficult. Then this dragon, I found that it is very difficult to recreate this dragon. This was very difficult to recreate this dragon. Then this engine, I found this engine was very difficult to recreate because it involves very complex coding. So with Vivity Studio, it is very difficult to recreate. Of course, with some other softwares like say Blender and Unity 3D, it will be very easy to recreate. But then there may be some problems in exporting that, because we found that many softwares can recreate the things like this, but when we export those things to VRML, directly VRML format, then they get miserably failed. There is a miserable failure when you export the things. So that is the problem actually. Then this is a ghost actually. I found that this code is also very difficult to recreate using the Vivity Studio. Then this is a chessboard actually. and I found that this code was also very difficult to recreate. Then this is a live code. This was also quite difficult to recreate. Then I think this code was created using MATLAB. It was very difficult to recreate with using the Vivity Studio. It is a driving simulator. And this is a parrot code. This particular code was having a lot of prototypes, and that's why it was difficult to recreate. The color changing parrots. And this is a simple code, but then the pointed arrow was difficult to recreate or understand. Then this is a C code actually. And I found that this code was also, it was difficult to recreate. This is a treasure. This is a very simple animation, but matching the text with the animation and angle, it was very difficult to recreate. And this is a turtle code. Now with some different logic, of course it can be recreated, but with this logic it was very difficult to recreate. And this is a warship, spaceship. This was also, it was quite difficult to recreate. So thanks for watching my video. All the codes which are discussed in this particular video are available to download in the description section. You can download by the link which is provided in the description, and you can check more links on Vivity Studio tutorials. Thank you.